welcome back to a new video. We are off to the Salvation Army in Poole. It is a drive away, so we're just gonna go over there and see what they have, because I've been in contact with the store manager and she's like, we've got some new pieces coming in today, come along, come and see if you want. I was like, yeah, I'll come and see. I don't think it's like an exclusive thing or just for me thing. I think it's just letting me know what they have, and we're gonna go do that. And I have a little duck brooch today. Let's go. We're back at the Salvation Army for some thrifting fun. I was in contact with one of the managers, and she said that loads of celebrities like Dilly Carter and Sophia Ellis Bextor had worked with the Eve Appeal and donated loads of vintage, and anything that didn't get sold at like an online auction got given to the Salvation Army. So there was so much amazing vintage. This blue dress to die for. The pearl detail down the front was heavenly. There was so much sparkle and unique pieces, and I wish I actually bought something. I was just so overwhelmed and I wanted to buy everything. That bright sequin skirt was everything, but where would I wear that? I'm an everyday gal. That's not every day for me. Wish I bought this little ring. That was so cute, really up my alley. This purse, oh my god, I regret it. Been editing this video and I keep thinking about that purse. I should have got it. This Mr. Mensch dress, I also highly regret. I think it would have been so cute with some like fishnet tights and boots for autumn. These three pieces I wish I bought. Again, I didn't, I regret. And then in like the regular charity shop section, there was still some amazing pieces that I wish I wasn't so excited and overwhelmed, and I wish I'd planned myself better and I would have bought that Laura Ashley cardigan. They had an amazing shoe section, cool striped shirts that I also wish I got. So basically this is a whole video of me regretting not buying more things at the thrift. Some really nice autumn skirts. This one here, oh my god, it is so cute. I want to do that with all my skirts now. This was a nice option. Again, I didn't buy anything. Why? I can't believe I didn't buy anything. Even the jewellery was cute. This whole shop, if you ever go, please do. It's so nice. That was a really cool little event. I got a top, which I'm very excited about. And we're just gonna head home. Bye. Just going to my grandma's birthday party. And I'm just coming from work, so I look like a mess.
Croissant and there's cheese.
Bye everyone.
Three games, that's fine. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Good girl. Oh, you're so cute. Hello, I am back from grandma's. I wanted to share with you the haul I got, because do you ever really leave your grandparents' house? Did you even go if you didn't come away with a haul? So Hey couldn't come, so we have a party bag of a cupcake for him. Then we've got carrot sticks and a few cucumber sticks in a little bag. And then, because maybe I am the favourite grandchild, we'll never know, I got the whole dips from the party. They wrapped in cling film and in their own bag, so basically I'm the favourite. Oh, and also I complimented grandma's boyfriend on his cheese selection. So here's some of the cheese. It's like a smoked one. It was delicious. So now we have some for home. And that is the haul. And you're in my fridge. Because if I didn't put it away right now, I would never put it away and then it'll go off. And now I'm going to drink a drink of some kind. Oh, are they radishes? Oh no, they're plums. Crisis averted. Oh, my love went shopping and got me some raspberries. Yeah. I'm excited. So yeah, that's the haul. I'm so excited about this cheese. It's from Waitrose, so apparently that's what. Oh yeah. Oh, stop it. That is divine. Oh my goodness. Right. Don't get carried away. Put it back. That is such nice cheese. It's in a big black round ball. What do they call it? A chunky frisbee of cheese, the black one from Waitrose. It's like smoked, but like a little bit salty. Oh, that is nice. That is so nice. Okay, bye. Now, I want to say I'm not allergic to kiwis, or I am allergic to kiwis, but feeling the texture of it makes me want to throw up. And I had a kiwi years ago, and I threw up all over a car park. So here's hoping I'm not allergic. This is the evidence. If you've seen me go into anaphylactic shock, anaphylactic shock. If you see me go into anaphylactic shock, call somebody. Oh, it's juicy though. Whoa, that is so wet. Ooh. Mmm. It's alright so far. Why is the skin hairy? Reminds me of a pig. Jeez, that's so wet. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I think I ate some skin. Mmm. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I want to do. Touching the kiwi. Delicious though. But I will stick with my cherry Pepsi. It is staff's party. And I'm running late. I'll do a fit check. Finished at the staff party. I've never ever been to such a tame party in all my life. It was very cad. Maybe this is what they're meant to be like, but who knows? I'm gonna go home now. Bye. I actually have no recipe for this cake. I always measure 4 eggs with the shell on, and then I just make all my ingredients that amount. So it was 260 for the eggs with the shell on, and then I did 260 butter, 260 flour, 260 sugar, then like a little bit of baking powder, and then just did that. There's not really any method. And then I did a tablespoon of coffee with a tiny bit of hot water in it to mix together, and I added that. and then I added a little bit of the coffee from the coffee pot because it was kind of a fresh pot still, so I thought I could just add a little bit more in for that. I think the prep work that you do with your tins is what makes your cake so good. So always line with a little bit of baking parchment or baking paper. I cut into a folded over square, and then I fold into like a fan shape, like a pizza slice, and then I fold the slice even smaller, so I can create like a little pizza, like a wedge of a cake. And then I just end up cutting that about half of the width. Is it width or diameter of the tin? And so that I can unfold it and place that into my cake tin. I also always oil. I've used butter before, but I feel like butter just doesn't create enough of a barrier. So I always oil my tins, especially the base and the sides. And I feel that that helps stick the baking parchment to it. And then I just add my mix. And the mixture fills 2 baking tins quite reasonably well, so that I was able to cut them in half and then put spread in between. So the mixture in between, I actually just bought a Cadbury's like spreadable icing for the middle layers, and then the top layer I did I think it's Betty Crocker vanilla frosting or something like that. And yeah, everyone loved the cake. I took some home. Hey loved it. My parents really loved it. So it was like a coffee and a chocolate cake mix, and it was delicious. And I'm gonna make it again because it was so tasty. Okay, set a 20-minute timer. Hello, it's some time later, and I'm obviously back home, as you can see. I wanted to share with you 2 tops my mum gave me because she didn't want them, or I don't know, she just let me have them. I'm not sure if they're my style, but they look nice on, so we're just gonna have them. The first top, it's very summery. That's the back of it, sorry. This is the first top. It's just a summer top. I think it'll be really cute on, and I think I would take that on holiday with us. The second piece is this like shirt top dress thing. I think it looks quite nice on. It does have like a low back, which I'm not too keen on, which I'm hoping I can modify. Maybe sew up a bit, because I don't like high-low things that much, especially on like tops that don't need it. I think it's such a crutch for plus size fashion companies to always cover the butt. Like, why is a plus size butt so like ugly to need to be covered by some weird shirt? Just, you have the body you have, wear nicer clothes. I just don't understand the purpose of having this low cut thing. I didn't think it adds interest to the shirt, and quite often I didn't think it adds interest to any outfit, having just like a weird like modesty panel. Is that what it is? I don't understand. So I'm gonna modify it so it doesn't do that, hopefully. I think it's too big. I know it's too big. I prefer, I just don't think it's very flattering, whereas if I just you can see shape now, and like this, I think it's just a bit, it's very cute though. I think I would, because it is quite big, I think I would take it in. Maybe not here, but maybe just here, because it does sit funny, so I would take it in here. It is cute though, but yeah, it's definitely doing all the wrong things. And then I'm just gonna try this one. This is a really cute long shirt. I think it is a bit big, but that's fine. I think it works better because it's flowy. But I don't understand this. That is so much nicer. Why have I got a panel? Just like, do you see? What is this? Whereas I'm thinking I will grab this and sew, obviously not tight, but I think that just looks better than this. Even to stop here would be okay, because it drops really, really low. I think if this was a dress, it would make more sense to have this, but it's just a top. I think this is a great one for my autumn wardrobe, but I'm definitely going to modify the bottom of it to sit more flat rather than the big scoop at the back. I'm not going to wear it like that. I would tuck it in, I would hide it, so I might as well sew it and make it something I'll wear. I think it's quite flattering though, and very autumn ready. I think in the next video we're going to do some flipping, hopefully some thrift flipping, because there's a couple of items in my wardrobe, including this, that I want to change. I just think I can make them better for my use. One of them is this skirt. It's a really nice skirt, it's just the wrong length for me, and like the elastic is pretty stretched out. So I'm gonna make this into like a midi, just above the knee skirt. So maybe I'd be cutting off maybe this much. It'll just make me wear it more. Every time I put it on, I'm like, no, it's the wrong length, no. So I'm just gonna whooshing, and I'm gonna cut this, and then that'll be a cute outfit to wear. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you feel like sticking around, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next week.